1. Stock market investing. Description: invest in shares of companies through platforms like Robinhood, Zerodha, or E-Trade. How to earn. Earn through capital appreciation, increase in stock value, or dividends. Tips: research companies, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long term. Cryptocurrency trading and investing. Description: buy and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. How to earn. Profit from price fluctuations or stake cryptocurrencies for rewards. Tips: start small and be aware of the risks involved in volatile markets. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Description: invest in real estate projects online via platforms like Fundrise or CrowdStreet. How to earn. Gain returns from property appreciation or rental income. Tips: look for platforms with good reviews and transparent terms.